Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this lovely coconut chips, coconut flakes, whatever you choose to call them. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So basically all I'm doing right now is just grating it. You can choose to cut it with a knife, but it's gonna look like the cubes right there, and I didn't really like the shape, so I decided to grate it. And then I'm doing on the surface, a clean surface by the way, because the ball was moving around and just felt uncomfortable, that kind of thing. But yeah. So the next thing I'm adding is sugar, and you decide how sweet you want your coconut flakes to be. I wanted them to be really sweet, so I added this amount of sugar, and you just stir properly just to make sure that the sugar is like everywhere basically. And then you're just going to fry this with no oil, with nothing, just by itself. Just place it on your gas cooker or whatever, with low heat, and yeah, and basically you have to keep stirring it. I did this for like 10 minutes until it was properly like brownish. So yeah, just keep stirring it. Like all the juice from the sugar would allow it to fry, like the coconut oil and the sugar juice, if that makes sense, it's gonna fry it. So yeah. So here we go, my coconut chips is ready, and I had mine with dairy. You know, it's really nice. You can have it by itself, just like as a little snack or something. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Also share with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.